Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pompompurin holding Muffin. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the hat. Let's start with a large oval, a round, and let's leave it open at the top. Then in the small gap, let's draw two curves up and over to the left. And close it off. Now on the right side, let's draw the first ear with a large curve up, around, and back in. And then add a curve down underneath for the side of the head. Now for the other side, let's hop over to the left and let's add a curve down. Next, move back up next to the hat and let's draw a curve down and back in for the other ear. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start with a line across and a V-shaped point underneath for the nose. Now a small line down in the center and two curves out and up. Then hop out and let's draw two circles for the eyes. And color these both in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's continue the body. Let's start with two large curves down. Then let's leave a gap on each side and let's draw a curve across in the middle. Now for the feet, let's bring it down with two lines on the left and the right. And close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's hop in and let's draw a muffin. Let's start underneath the mouth and in the center, let's add a bump across. Then two bumps for the ears. And then a curve down on each side. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve in and back out, and the same on the right side for the hands. And then let's continue Muffin's body with two curves down underneath, two bumps down for the feet, and a curve across. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's draw two bumps for the mouth. And two circles for the eyes. And color them in black. Now at the top of the head, let's draw a curve down on the right side. And lastly, let's draw two curves in for the hands. And that's it for Pompompurin. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!